Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of SpaceX, the private aerospace manufacturer and space transportation company founded by none other than Elon Musk. You may know SpaceX for its incredible achievements like the Falcon 9 rocket, the Dragon spacecraft, and the ambitious Starship project. But today, we're going to explore some lesser-known facts about SpaceX that will leave you amazed. So buckle up and get ready for liftoff. SpaceX was founded in 2002 with a mission to reduce space transportation costs and enable the colonization of Mars. But did you know that Elon Musk originally wanted to buy a refurbished Russian intercontinental ballistic missile, ICBM, to send a small payload to Mars?
So I actually went to Russia 3 times to look at buying a refurbished ICBM. Because that was the best deal.
Yes, you heard that right. In 2001, Musk traveled to Russia to negotiate the purchase of a used ICBM. However, the deal fell through when the Russians quoted him a price of $8 million per missile. Frustrated, Musk decided to start his own rocket company instead, and thus SpaceX was born. The early days of SpaceX were anything but smooth sailing. The company's first rocket, Falcon 1, faced numerous challenges. Its first 3 launches between 2006 and 2008 ended in failure, nearly bankrupting the company. But what many people don't know is that during this time, Musk had to make a crucial decision: invest his last remaining funds into either SpaceX or Tesla. He chose to split the money between the two, betting on both companies' success. The 4th launch of Falcon 1 in September 2008 was a success, and SpaceX secured a $1.6 billion contract with NASA shortly after. Talk about a close call. SpaceX's Falcon Heavy rocket is known for being the most powerful operational rocket in the world, capable of carrying more than twice the payload of its nearest competitor. But did you know that its maiden flight in February 2018 included a very unique payload? Instead of traditional test weights, Elon Musk decided to launch his personal Tesla Roadster into space, complete with a mannequin named Sturman in the driver's seat, wearing a SpaceX spacesuit. The car is now orbiting the sun, a testament to SpaceX's creativity and Musk's flair for showmanship. In May 2020, SpaceX made history by becoming the first private company to send astronauts to the International Space Station, ISS, with the Crew Dragon spacecraft. But there's an interesting backstory to this mission. The spacesuits worn by the astronauts were designed by Hollywood costume designer Jose Fernandez, who also worked on superhero costumes for films like Batman v Superman and The Avengers. Musk wanted the suits to be both functional and stylish, proving that space travel doesn't have to compromise on aesthetics. One of the most ambitious projects in SpaceX's pipeline is the Starship rocket, designed to carry humans to Mars and beyond. But what many people don't realize is the scale of this endeavor. The Starship rocket will be fully reusable, standing at 120 meters tall and capable of carrying 100 tons of cargo. To put that into perspective, that's about the same height as a 40-story building. And did you know that the stainless steel used in Starship's construction was inspired by the classic sci-fi film Flash Gordon? Musk is a big fan of retro-futuristic aesthetics and wanted the rocket to have a similar look. Elon Musk's vision for SpaceX goes beyond Mars. He's also working on the Starlink project, aiming to provide global internet coverage using a constellation of low Earth orbit satellites. As of now, SpaceX has launched over 1,500 Starlink satellites, and the service is already available in many parts of the world. But did you know that SpaceX plans to eventually launch up to 42,000 satellites? That's right, 42,000. This ambitious project could revolutionize global communication, bringing internet access to remote and underserved areas. SpaceX is not just reaching for the stars, but aiming to redefine humanity's future in space. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the world of SpaceX. We hope you enjoyed these lesser-known facts and gained a deeper appreciation for the groundbreaking work being done by Elon Musk and his team. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars and dreaming big. Space, after all, is the final frontier.